Ready? Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abby. Happy birthday to you.
Say hi, Abby.
Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby. Happy birthday. Hi.
How old is Abby gonna be?
6. Abby.
Quentin, say happy birthday. Mr. Shy Boy. Anything else you want to say to Abby?
Hey.
Is that all you want to say to Abby?
Hi.
Hi, Abby. Yep.
Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby.
We're in Emmeline's room right now, and that's Maddie's bed. And Emmeline's dollhouse.
That's game.
Quentin, say happy birthday, Abby.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Quentin.
Look.
No, he doesn't.